Today, our important partner from Brazil visited the SZGH factory. This visit is not only a factory tour, but also an important step for future cooperation in the Brazilian market. During the visit, our partner learned more about SZGH CNC machine tools, industrial robots, CNC control systems, and practical automation solutions. By seeing real products and real factory conditions, our partner can better understand SZGH's manufacturing capability, product system, and technical support. Through face-to-face communication, we discussed product details, market needs, and suitable solutions for local customers in Brazil. For small and medium manufacturers, SZGH focuses on practical automation upgrades that can be applied in real production. Together with our Brazilian partner, we aim to provide better products, service, and automation support for customers in Brazil. At SZGH, every visit is a chance to build trust through real products, real testing, and real communication. SZGH will continue working with global partners to support manufacturing automation upgrades worldwide.